Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and in this video, we are working on quadratic equations and fractional equations. And this exercise 3C, which we are going to attempt here, this is related with solving the quadratic equations with the graphical method. This is our fourth episode. This is our fourth episode on this topic, this exercise. And in this, we are going to start from the question number 5. And let me show you the question number 5. And here we go. The question number 5 is showing up on your screen by drawing the graph of y equals to 5 minus 2x minus x squared. For x from minus 4 to 2, solve the equation 5 minus 2x minus x squared equals to 0 graphically. So this is question number 5 and this is exercise 5C. We are covering this topic, quadratic and the fractional equations from this book. The name of the book is Keng, New Syllabus Mathematics, 8th edition. This is their book 3, and this book is published by the Oxford University Press. This book and these questions, they are the property of the Oxford University Press. So credit goes to them. Okay, so we have drawn a table here. And so what we will do, we will substitute these values of the x in that equation, y equals to 5 minus 2x minus x squared, and we will see what are the values of the x. So we first 5 minus 2 bracket minus 4 bracket close minus bracket minus 4 bracket close square equals to, that is minus 3. Let me show you. This is how we do it. Okay, so I write here minus 3. So I got minus 3. Then we will enter minus, okay, 5 minus 2 bracket minus 3 bracket close minus bracket minus 3 bracket close square equal, and let me show you, it is 2. Okay, so I write here 2, and then we have x equals to minus 2. 5 minus 2 bracket minus 2 bracket close minus bracket minus 2 bracket close square equals to, and that is 5. Okay, it's 5. And then we have 5 minus 2 bracket minus 1 bracket close minus bracket minus 1 bracket close square and equals to, and it will be 6. Then you enter 0, 0 will be 5. When you enter 5, 1, it will be 5 minus 2 minus 1. So that will be 2. And when you enter 2, it will be, let me see, 5 minus 2 multiplied 2 minus 2 square equals to, that will be minus, it will be minus 3. Okay. So then I will plot these points. I will try to plot these points. Okay. So at minus 4, it is minus 3. Let me check first of all, but the table is not given in the minus. At minus 4, it's minus 3. So this is the point. At minus 3, it is 2. It is 2. Okay. At minus 2, it is 5. 5 is here. Okay. So at minus 1, it is 6. At 0, it is 5. So you see the smoothness. These are same on same level. Okay. At 1, it is so sorry, this is minus, this is positive 1, and this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay. At 1, it is 2. Okay. At 2, it is minus 3. Okay. So you see this graph is very, very smooth. So I'm going to draw this curve. This shape is called parabola. and this is going to be, you see, when we draw an actual graph, we draw it with the help of the pencils, with the lead pencil. But here, because of the video, so that it's very, very clear, I draw it with the help of the marker. Oh God, oh, you see. So this is, okay. So this is how you draw this graph. So this shape is called a parabola. This is the graph of this quadratic equation 5 minus 2x minus x squared. So then they asked us a question, and that question is solve this equation 5 minus 2x minus x squared equals to 0. So if you look at here carefully, this is exactly the expression whose graph you have already drawn. So this is my curve whose graph is already here. So whatever is on the right side, I say this is the line I have to draw. So I will say y equals to 0. Okay, so I will draw that line. Y equals to 0 is this line which is already drawn there. So I have to guess what is the value here. So it's this value here is minus 3 point, this is something like minus 3.4, I think, suppose. Okay, and what is the value here? This is 1.45. So I think these are the answers, and approximately. Okay, let us check from the book what the book says. We have the answers in the book, and if our answer matches, you see, because we are working from the graph, and the graph we have drawn ourselves, and so a little bit up and down is possible. Okay, so here we go. We have exercise 5C. The question number 5, the answer is minus 3.45 and 1.45. So our answers are approximately right. So this is how you will do the question number 5 of the exercise 3C. And I hope that you understand this. This is the topic, solving the quadratic equations by the graphical method, I mean. So this is how you do the question number 5 of exercise 5C. The book we are following to cover this topic is the Think New Syllabus Mathematics 8th edition, their third book, published by the Oxford University Press. So let's go to the next question. The next question, I have to move my camera, is the question number 6. So the next question is coming up on your screen, and that is the question number 6. Here we have, let me show you, give me a minute, and I will adjust my camera so that you can see this. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so on your screen now the question number 6 is showing up. Let me show you the question number 6 from the book as well. Question number 6. This is the 3C exercise, and let me show you the question number 6. I hope you can see the question number 6. It says draw the graph of y is equals to 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 for x from minus 4 to 2, and hence solve the equation 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 equals to 0 graphically. Okay, so the question number 6 now I'm going to attempt, and I hope that this is clear on the video. Okay, so first of all, we are going to do, with the help of the calculator, we are going to find out this. We are trying to complete this table. So what I will do, 4 bracket minus 4 bracket close square plus 12 bracket minus 4 bracket close plus 9 equals to, that's 25, sir. 25. Okay, so here I will write 25. Then I am going to enter substitute x with the 3 in that equation. So 4 bracket minus 3 bracket close square plus 12 bracket minus 3 bracket close plus 9 equals to, and that gives me 9. Okay, it gives me 9, so I will write 9 here. Then you have 4 bracket minus 2 bracket close square plus 12 bracket minus 2 bracket close, and then you have plus 9 equals to, and that gives you 1. So that will give you 1. Okay, so that is 1 here. Then you have okay, so now I will 4 bracket minus 1 bracket square plus 12 bracket minus 1 bracket plus 9 equal, and that give you again plus 1. Okay, so this is again plus 1. When I put 0, this will be 9, and when I will put 1, 4 plus 12, that will be 16. So this will be 25. And when you will enter 2, 4 bracket 2 bracket close square, so 4 multiply 2 square plus 12 multiply 2 plus 9 equal, that's 49, and it's 49, sir. This is 49. Okay, so now I will plot these points and we will see what happens. Okay, so at minus 4 it is 25. At minus 4 it is 25. Where is 25? At minus 4 it's 25 here. Okay, at minus 3 it is 9. At minus 3 it is 9. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. At minus 4 it is 9. At minus 3 is 9. At minus 2 it is 1, positive 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, at minus 1 it is again 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so these 2 points are on the same level. Okay, at 0 it is 9. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, these 2 points are also on the same level. At 1 it is 25. Okay, and at 2 it is 49. 49 will be here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 49. So these points are very almost smooth. They can give you a smooth curve. Okay, but let me enter more numbers here. So I will take a point between minus 2 and minus 1. So minus 1.5. So 4 bracket minus 1.5 bracket close square plus 12 bracket minus 1.5 bracket close plus 9 equal, that give you 0. So at minus 1 point, let me show you this. First of all, it gave me 0. Okay, so at this point this is 0. Okay, so from here the graph will turn, I think, and then I can take a point at minus 0.5. So that will be 4 bracket minus 0.5 bracket close square plus 12 bracket minus 0.5 bracket close plus 9 equal, and this gives me That gives me, it's not focusing. Yeah, 4. So here you will have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the point. So there's a huge gap between here. I can take another point at 1.5. You see, we take extra points, multiply 1.5 square plus 12 multiply 1.5 plus 9 equals to, that's 36. At 1.5, it is 36. 36 means this. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost here. Okay. So I can take also a point at 0.5. So 4 multiply 0.5 square plus 12 multiply 0.5 plus 9, and I get the value 16. At 0.5 you have 16. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now the points are can give you easily a very smooth curve. So let me try. Okay, so we touched here, and from here the graph will go back. Okay, now let me try. Okay, you see the position in which I am trying to make this. Yes. You see, I took extra points to make it more smooth. So you got this shape. This shape is called parabola. And now they ask you a question. The question they ask us is that to solve this equation 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. So if you pay attention to this, this is basically the expression for that curve. Okay, the curve, and so this will be the line. This curve, its graph is already here. So this I make it equals to y. So I will draw this line y equals to 0. The y equal to 0 is this line. This is the line y equals to 0. So we will check that when the graph cuts this line, what is the x value there? So the graph cuts this line at this point, only on one point. So what is this point? Here the value is minus 1.5. So the solution of this will be only a single point one. This will be only one x value, and that will be minus 1.5. So I hope that this is right. Let's check the answer, sir. Question number 6 of the exercise 3C. And yes, let me show you the answer, sir. Exercise 3C, question number 6, the answer is minus 1.5. Our answer is also the same. So this is how you will do the question number 6 of the exercise 3C. The topic of the exercise is solving quadratic equations by the graphical method. The chapter number 3 is quadratic and fractional equation. So I hope that you understand. And this is our 4th episode on the exercise. This is our 4th episode on the exercise 3C. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and in this video series, we are solving the exercise 3C for our O levels and IGCSE students. I hope that this you understand this question number 6. So, my dear students, now the question number 7, which is the last question of this exercise, exercise 3C. You see, the last question of this exercise is showing up on your screen. Question number 7, by drawing the graph of y is equals to 10 minus 25 minus x square. For x from 0 to 10, solve the equation 10x minus 25 minus x square equals to 0 graphically. Okay. So the x values we are going to take from 0 to, we are going to take the values from 0 to 10. Okay, so let me take the first value here. Let me take here the 0. So here is the x, here is the y. Let me check if this is yes. So when you will enter 0 here in this equation, you will left with only minus 25. So you are left with the minus 25. Okay, so minus 25. Now we will enter substitute 1 in that equation in the place of x. Okay, so this is 10x, 10 bracket. Okay, so 10 multiply 1 minus 25 minus 1 and its square and equals to, and that gives you minus 16. Okay, so here I will write minus 16. So minus 16. So then we have to enter 10. Sorry, 2. 10 multiply 2 minus 25 minus 2 square equal, that gives me minus 9. That gives me minus 9. Okay, so here I write minus 9. So this is minus 9. Okay, so then let me get my marker. This marker has become little dull. Okay, so then we have 3. So this is 10 multiply 3 minus 25, and then you have minus 3 and its square equals to, and that gives me minus 4. So this value here is minus 4. Okay, then 10 multiply 4 minus 25 minus 4 square, and that gives me minus 1. So here we will have minus 1. Then you have 10 multiply 5, okay, minus 25 minus 5 and its square, and you will get 0. So here you have 0. Then you will enter 6 in the place of x. 10 multiply 6 minus 25 minus 6 square equals to, that gives you minus 1. So you will have minus 1. So here you have minus 1. Okay, so 7. Okay, 10 multiply 7 minus 25 minus 7 square equals to, I'm entering these values on my calculators, you see. So the answer is minus 4. So for 7 it is minus 4, and for 8, 10 multiply 8 minus 25 minus 8 square, and that will be equals to minus 9. So this is minus 9. Okay, then I will enter 9. 10 multiply 9 minus 25 minus 9 square equal, that will be minus 16. Okay, so this is minus 16, and at 10 it will be 10 multiply 10 minus 25 minus 10 square, and that will be minus 25. So this will be minus 25. Okay, so now I will plot these points. Okay, we will plot these points on the graph paper, and let's see what happens. At 0 you have minus 25. At 0 you have minus 25. So okay, at 0 your answer is minus 25. Okay, so 25 will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here at 1 it is minus 16. Minus 16 is here. At 2 it is minus 9. Minus 9 will be here. At 3, it is minus 4. Minus 4 is here. At 4, it is minus 1. Minus 1 will be here. And at 5, it is 0. Okay. And at 6, again minus 1, which will be here. And at 7, it is minus 4, which will be here. At 8, it is minus 9, which will be here. And at 9, it is minus 16. Minus 16 will be here. And at 10, it is minus 25, which will be here. 25 will be here. Okay. So they are exactly on the same level. So it's a good curve. Easy peasy. You can join these points with each other and you will get the very good, excellent symmetrical shape. This shape is called parabola. This shape is called this. And from here the graph turns and it will go like this. So it's going like this. It will go like this. And then it will go like this. Okay. So this shape is called the parabola. And this is all. This is done. Then the question is solve the 10x minus 25 minus x squared equals to 0. So if you look at carefully, this is the expression for that curve whose graph we have already drawn here. So equal to 0, I say this is a line. So I make it equals to y. So I have to draw the line y equals to 0. Y equals to 0 is this line. You see, this line is basically y equals to 0. And so when your graph cuts it here. So what is the value of the x here? The x here is equals to the 5. So I think the answer is 5. There is a single answer. So we will check it from the book if the answer is right. So let's see. Exercise 3C, and let me show you the answers. Exercise 3C, question number 5, you can see that. Question number 7, sorry, the answer is 5. So our answer is also 5. So this is how you will do. So my dear students, let me show you the exercise 3C. And this is the exercise 3C. There were 7 questions in this exercise. And this is our fourth episode, sorry. This is our fourth episode on this, okay? So this is our fourth episode. In 4 episodes, we have completed this exercise. The question number 7 is the last question of this exercise. So I hope that this series of the videos on the exercise 3C will be very helpful to you. This is related with the Cambridge O-Levels Mathematics Syllabus D Maths 4024. This same topic is also in the GCE Mathematics, and this is also in the Mathematics of the IGCSE. So I hope that this is a very basic chapter exercise, in which you learn how to draw the graphs of the quadratic equations and then solve those quadratic equations by the graphical method. I have tried my best to explain the concepts and to draw the graphs, and we have taken a lot of pain and to make the things more clear for our students around the globe. So thank you very much, sir, for watching these videos and preparing your maths and clearing this topic from my video. If you think that this video is helpful, if you think that this video can be helpful to other students, please like this video, share the link of this video with those students. Also share the link of this video on your social media accounts. You see, when you like my video, when you share the link of this video on your social media, then it's a great appreciation and a great support for my work. Your appreciation and your support is very, very important for me, sir. My name is Ferhan Mazher and I am from Sargodha, Pakistan. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a good night, sir. God bless you all.